Ladies and gentlemen, for those just joined us, good afternoon. You're all very welcome on board your flight to London Heathrow. For your comfort and especially your safety, there are two designated storage areas for your cabin baggage. The overhead bins into the area underneath the seat in front of you. Please place soft and lighter items curved from the overhead bins and have your more solid items underneath the seat in front of you. May I remind passengers these are exit rows, which are rows 1, 10 and 24, that all hand baggage including coats and ladies' handbags must be placed into the overhead bins. The exit areas are with floor space around your feet must be clear for takeoff and once again for landing. If you're carrying a mobile phone, it must be switched off as soon as the aircraft doors are closed. Items that have flight mode are permitted in flight, however, please ensure it is selected before powering the